Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So that's where you guys come in. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. All right, guys, really excited. So happy, as you know, that I'm back on board, that I'm getting the Allure beauty box again on my channel. Last month was an absolute explosion. We got that mega bundle. We got the box that I thought was fantastic. I'm able to share sneak peeks with you in reference to this box and everything. So I am really excited that Allure came down with that offer that I shared with you as well before I even went on board with getting it. So I'm really getting this box pretty much at what the original price was before the price increase, and I shared that with you. I still think this box is worth it at the $23, which if you signed up, that's what it would be. However, when you can get a box at a discount that you enjoy, I literally am so happy that I was able to do that. So I will leave, if you're interested in this box, all my links for all of my boxes are further down in the description box. They're in alphabetical order. As I get codes or discounts or anything, always check in the description box, because as the channel's growing and I'm able to access things, I'm sharing that with you guys as well. All right, so this is a fantastic box. Like I said, it's $23. It's free ship. It comes with the brochure that I enjoy so much because it gives us a lot of information, and it's like information like I usually share with you. So this is nice to get somebody's point of view that works at Allure, and it ends up to being great information. There's also usually 3 full sizes in here. I think this month, again, I think it's either 3 or 4, but you're always getting products to me that are the ones that you're reading about in the magazines that other boxes might not have had access to yet. I found when I was getting Allure the previous year, the 1 month that I didn't get it, and I started looking and I started seeing some sneak peeks or other boxes, they were getting products that I already tried about a year ago through Allure. So that's made me realize that I really want the Allure box, and it was why I chose to get it back on the channel. So starting with the first product that was here is this product here. It is from Tarte. It came in this box here, as well as this item here. And what's also nice with Allure is everybody pretty much gets the same items. There might be a variation here or there, but it is very few and far between. So it's nice when you're able to see other people's point of views in reference to the box, and you know that you're gonna be getting the same items. So this one says, this is the Tarte Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow and Liner in Rose Gold, Luster, and Black. They're saying on one end, you will find one of the smoothest black liners you will ever try. The creamy texture glides along your lash line for the major color payoff. On the other side is a rose gold shadow stick to brighten up your eyes. Simply how to use this: trace your upper lashes with the liner and then run the shadow stick right on top for the easiest smudgy, smoky eyes. You could use a clean finger to blend the shadow up and out, and even for more smokiness. When you want more graphic looks, the precise liner creates a smooth, intense cat eye. Add the rose gold to the inner corner of your eyes. This is a $25 value. As I've shared with you before, I really truly do enjoy the Tarte products, and I have rarely been disappointed, and this is also a cruelty-free brand. So excited to have the opportunity to get that. So that alone is $25 in a $23 box. The next item in here is one that I cannot wait, because I have really been enjoying from Wonder Beauty their mascaras. I have the one in gold, and I have the one in that gorgeous burgundy, and now this will be a new one to me. This one says this is the Wonder Beauty Upgrade Lashes Treatment. They're saying this mascara gives your eyes all the glam without the unwanted drama, smudging, flaking, and clumping. It is an hourglass brush that is covered with a comb-like bristle to separate every single lash for maximum definition, Plus, the Jet Back formula is infused with conditioning peptides and nourishing pentothal, so your lashes are nourished with every swipe. Apply 1 or 2 coats for her lashes, but better effect or layer on buildable. It is mess-free mascara for the preferable fanned out fringe. This also full size, $26 value. They also have a code for Wonder Beauty. It's Allure NOV21 for 20% off. I will leave all the exclusions and the dates and all that. I will leave it in the description box down below. And that is the style of the brush that is inside. The next item that is in here is also full size, and this is from EYEKO. And it says the secret in this is the cushion, which means it's probably that little cushion that's in between there, that when you clamp this down, you will have the cushion. This is wrapped up. I'm gonna leave this wrapped up because I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing with this product because I don't use eyelash curlers. This is EYEKO's eyelash curler. It says you don't need a surgeon's steady hand to get lifted, curled lashes. The gentle arc and cushy pad of this tool make it easy to use. It is not accidentally pinched here. It says, and the handle rests comfortably on your cheek to make the curling a breeze. They're saying there's so many different, definitely there are so many different techniques for curling lashes, but we love this one that we shared by the top makeup artist. It says, curl your lashes by the base, apply 1 coat of mascara, let it dry completely, and then curl again, and then apply more mascara. Waiting a few seconds before going back in with the curler is key. If your lashes are wet, they may stick to the curler or clump. I've never heard of doing it that way. I was always told that if you're going to use these type of products, you should use them before you put your mascara on. So please share with me if you've had the opportunity to use this and if you did it, because to me, you see those horror stories where the lashes break off. So this is a $15 value, but that's what they're recommending how to use it. The next item in here came in this beautiful packaging here, and this is called the Whamisa Organic Flowers Toner in Deep Rich. It says if you haven't already tried a hydrating toner, you are in for a treat. The prep step makes your skin look so much dewier than the moisturizer alone. This formula has a soft water-like texture and a supple rose scent and a radiant finish. The whole shebang makes you feel and smell and look like you just came from a facial. They're saying how to use it. They're saying this is meant to be the first step in your morning skincare routine. Smooth about a dime-sized amount onto a damp, freshly cleansed skin, and then give it a few seconds to absorb before layering your other products on top. You can finish with the serum, cream, and or a facial oil in that order, and the sunscreen, as always, goes on last. This is a sample size of this product. This is the size that we received, and the full size of this would be $43. They also have a discount code that if you enjoy it, you would be able to get 20% off for the full size. The next item in here is from this brand called Nugena, and this is a dermalogically probiotic youth repair cream. They're saying inside this pretty pink jar, and it's a jar that's normally not a tube because this is the sample size. They're saying this is a whipped luxurious cream that coddles a much needed and appreciated feature during colder months. It is formulated with a smoothing peptide, 11 of them to be exact. It has hydrating hyaluronic acid and a nourishing ceramide to moisturize your skin and give it a bouncy, slightly lifted effect. How to use this: slather it on under sunscreen each morning to give fine lines and the laxity a 1-2 punch while making your skin dewy. It layers nicely over your skincare products like your new Whamisa toner or your usual serum, but it's always hydrating enough that you can wear it solo on the days when you want more minimal routine. The full size of this in the jar is $48, and they also have a discount code for that as well. Like I said, I will leave it in the description box down below. We still have more products. Here we go. This is now the Simply by Helena. This is a simple cleanser. It says this is a milky texture that has a lavender scent, and it has soothing ingredients like chamomile water and goat's milk. Work together to create a spa-like Zen experience. Is a perfect beginning and end to every day. Massage a dime-size amount across your damp skin in circular motions to remove makeup, even your mascara and your skincare. They're saying the 4 ounce of this is $29.95, and this is a 2 ounce. So this is a really nice size. This also has a discount for 20% with a code, and I will leave, like I said, all of it like from when to when in the description box down below. And then we also have this product. This is Pili, P-I-L-I, Annie, A-N-I. It's saying it's a self-care night recovery oil. It says, why you'll love it, there is nothing quite like waking up after using this face oil and realizing your skin feels much more hydrated than normal. The blend is stacked with moisturizing squalene and a mighty list of plant-derived extracts, including calendula and chamomile. It says, smooth it on the last step in your nighttime routine or use it alone for a smoother, softer skin the next day. There's nothing better than waking up after using these oils and the next day your face looks so hydrated and plumped. The full size of this is $72. That is what that bottle would look like. And this is the sample size that we got because this is a $72 product. Again, this one has actually, I think, a 30% discount, which is amazing. And the website and everything I will leave down below for the brand. They also have in this booklet about the best of beauty. I've shared this with you when we re-signed up. One of the things I felt I was missing were these fantastic deals that Allure is doing now. There are these limited time offers. When you sign up, your email comes down. And a few times during the month, they tell you about what the deals are, and they've been really, really fantastic. So this is the most recent one here. I'll go up close. This one here is about $40. And what I can tell you alone is this is a full-size Lancome mascara. This used to be my all-time favorite before all the boxes from Lancome is the Duff and Sills. And this is about $27 or $29. That's what I paid for it up in Canada. I don't know what the price is here, but that was like my go-to mascara all the time. So these are always fantastic deals. It has an Yves Saint Laurent lip in here and all of that. So you can always check the website out because this is a member price of $40 and they're saying the value of it is over $210. But these are not just these deals that are coming to you, you know, for Black Friday. These are fantastic deals. And in the booklet, there's other deals that are also available. But like I said, once you go on the website, you'll be able to see it. And then they put in a sample card of this product here. It is from Neutrogena. And that is just one of those sample cards to be able to try. It's an acne fighting formula that has dermatologist grade acid complex. They're saying in 3 days, it will reduce the appearance of blackheads, whiteheads, and pores. And 4 weeks, 9 out of 10 acne sufferers felt softer, smoother skin. So that is the promo that they have in here. So this is that extra bonus card that they put in. Like I said, I enjoy Allure very, very much. I enjoy so much also that they mix high expensive lines, brands that we're familiar with, and brands that we have become now to learn about and love. So please share with me in the comments down below how you feel about this month's box. And if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products, I always love to know that in the comments down below. Really important also with YouTube, if you leave me a comment and I did not respond back to it, it means the comment did not come through. I do not have filters on my comments. So sometimes within the algorithm that Allure has, there's some words or things that the actual comment doesn't come through. So if you didn't hear back from me, I do respond to all my comments. It just means that your comment did not come through, and you'll see that if you look at the page. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I will see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.